Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to track Shopify conversions with Google Analytics. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Incorporating Google Analytics with your Shopify store is going to providing you a lot more dynamic type of display related to your activity on Shopify and your online store. So to activate it, simply head over to your online store and then head over to preferences. Here you should be able to see we have Google Analytics in here. If you want to set it up, simply click on Setup Google and it will be directed towards your setup page. From there, make sure that you have Google Analytics page already ready, and then you can install the integration and eventually you'll be able to use both of these softwares all together. So that's how easily you can track Shopify conversions with Google Analytics. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.